I'm going to modernize this console table by restaining the top a darker color and painting the base. I start by removing the drawers and taking off the handles, which I'm going to reuse. Because this top is a veneer, I choose a lesser aggressive grit sandpaper to sand the top. The remainder of the piece I scuff sand to create grip for the paint to adhere to. On the top, I start with a pre-stained wood conditioner. This prevents blotching so you get an even stain color. I simply apply it and wipe it off after 3 minutes. "30 minutes later, I apply the stain, which is the dark and rich color Konya. I allow this to penetrate for a few minutes before wiping the excess off with a lint-free cloth. An hour later, I apply a second coat. Once dry, I tape the finished top off and load primer into my paint gun and spray a thin layer of primer to prevent any bleed-throughs. I then spray Fusion Mineral Paint in the color Raw Silk, allowing a few hours of dry time before applying the second and final coat. And here's the final reveal. A more modernized look, enhancing that beautiful wood grain pattern on top. Let me know what you think of this transformation. Like, follow, subscribe to see more furniture flips.